Thing, guys, it's a bit dark. You know where it is, you know how it is, you know what's going down. Today we're at Belmont care home in Cheadle. Now this place has got a history that dates back to the 1800s. This particular house dates back to as far back as I can get of 1830, ladies and gentlemen. 1830. This house has been standing here for nearly 200 years. Not this particular structure, it has been modernised since, but to the basement first. So guys and girls, normally I have a rule to start from the top. But doesn't look like we're doing that today. Little snooker cue, uphill. Right, I need to gather myself. I'm a little bit shaky at the minute, I don't know why. I like to waffle to myself as well. A lot.
Oh, that's good.
There you go, mate. Dick. You have that one. Give me torch away. Let's. The cupboard out of safe. It's like a safe. Yeah, get the pictures, mate, get the pictures. You got it? So well when I'm not breaking my torches. Come here, you should be able to get a decent picture. There's a hole behind that. A few people are already tried. It is. It's a big safe. That's a beast, that, isn't it? That isn't coming out of there anytime soon. Look at that, guys. It's a nice little find. So this place is Belmont Care Home. It actually permanently closed down, I think it was 2007. Sorry, 2017. It failed 3 inspections in a row. It was deemed inadequate. So it eventually just closed. There's a little issue. Whoa, whoa, whoa. No. These are some pictures. Baby pictures. I'll probably blow the faces out on them or cut some of them out. Chris Ryan. Don't know, that's why I felt I need to read his name out there. Just did. We can give this place a good little look over anyway, can't we, guys? Tell you what, so this is the creepiest stuff. they're actually negatives. You see it? Somebody sat in a chair. It's my stomach that leaking here. I don't even know if we can get to the rest of the house from in here. Wow, so much stuff. Wow, oh shit. Right, keep going. So, it stops in here. It's like a where you'd store the food and shit like that, but it's filled with decorations, from Christmas decorations and shit. Wow, there's an old VHS player. A big mirror back there too. A lot of mirrors. Looks like all the mirrors are down here.
You found your rat up.
You got one, yeah?
Yeah. Someone's been chilling there.
Yeah, the kids would have found this place. Would have been perfect for the kids to chill in, wouldn't it? Little fox spa thing in there as well. So we can't get that big. Doesn't lead us upstairs. That grill toaster. DVD player and another video player. Showing my age now, aren't I? No. Well, for all you kids that don't know, this is what TVs used to look like. Yes, there's more to a telly.
100-year-old biscuit. It's a 100-year-old biscuit.
Can we around? No, it's just another small room.
Where are the stairs then?
I'm not sure, mate.
Oh, they've been blocked off. Lots of stairs.
Let's get down here and have a look. Nope.
Wow.
There's no stairs to go upstairs from in here. There's no way to get upstairs from in here. That is strange. That is so strange. There's me getting all excited, thinking we're in. Well, we are in the basement. Whoa.
Just
like a bricked up archway.
That's Stockport. I see.
Don't like standing on that glass.
This is weird.
It's so strange, isn't it? Alright, mate, let me get out of here. I'm claustrophobic. It's not dark as it really ever been. I'm not fussed if someone turns up. Declaration of commitment. company operates as responsible energy management. Don't touch that, still got power on it. Whoa. What's up, mate? I won't know any of them. You've got the names on them. I'm not going to show the names. So we're back out, guys. That was the basement. Just like a little outdoor room where the residents would go and sit for a bit.
35 minutes past it.
Some of you might wonder why all my explorers are at night time. It's because I don't do it in the day. Oh. Did you hear that? That's how good. It's just a beeping, mate. Whoa, not much left in that room. Not like. Where do we start? Whoa, this floor is so sketchy. Is that? Whoa, what's your footing on here, mate? That's a door. Get across this. It looks sketchier than it is. Stay to this side where the hinges are. Rolled up there. Of course I found the basement. Why is this side flooded though? There's all the hydroponic walls. I don't want to get wet, so I'm not slipping down there, guys. Wow, half the basement's flooded, but half of it's not. How does that make sense? See how deep that is. 1, 2, 3, 4 steps down. That's like about how deep I am now. 1, 2, 3. It's about that deep. Oh shit, yeah. Sorry, mate. It's like stick and stood with it. Go on, mate, let go. Strange how that's flooded. Let's get out there, mate. This is the centre part of it. Mobility scooter. Alright, where did we get in? I need to figure out the bearings so I know where we're going first. Should we go out that way? Because all this side's wrecked here.
When we came through this way.
Yeah, that's where we came in, yeah. That's why I say should we leave this bit because it's wrecked. Don't like it when I can't see behind doors. This looks like a reception or something like that. Little pigeonholes, letters and stuff like that in them for the residents. Unknown explorers. Oh, so I'm gonna stick a stick around here somewhere, guys. I have to. Where the hell is that beeping coming from? That's the room I wanted to see. Don't go out there. I'm not sure, don't go out there though. Check that. It's been smashed to shit. I saw exploring with Jake's video over in here and it was still intact. What they've done to it's ridiculous, man. These kids that have destroyed it. That's the main entrance. That's just not really a door either. Is that one? No. Yeah, it is, but it's been painted shut. Strange. It's just under the stairs, that.
It comes out there.
Huh?
Comes out there.
Yeah. Toilets. Smashed. Go on, mate. He's taking pictures here.
Yeah.
Nice, isn't it? Dead sketchy, that beeping. There's not been any sensors around anywhere, is there? Keep your eye out for him.
Sketchy now.
That's where they came in. Oh, these ones were black in here. That's the other side of that bricked up door. A bit of ventilation piping. There's still hangers in that. So,
Used to be EA one.
oh yeah, I've got a screen lock on it, haven't I? Sorry, mate. It's a lift.
I won't trust my wife.
You won't catch me standing in those nice little lift.
Fix that as well.
Oh. This room's getting sketchy. in the kitchen. Sorry mate, that's taking a picture then. Try that again. See the flash at the top?
Yeah.
Press it again. That's what I see. There we go. Coming in this way. Okay, well, even if the police do turn up here, mate, it'll take them 10 minutes to fucking find us. Nothing but doorways after doorways in here. Look, don't touch any electricals. Boiler room. Let's back out into that courtyard. That literally takes us right outside. Yes. Watch your wires. There's always that one sock. Tumble dryers and that are still in here. The old fashioned drying rack. Do you remember when I said about it in cabinets?
Yeah.
The old farm. Oh no, there's the other sock.
There's always that pair of socks.
I never expected there to be so much still in here, you know.
That's good.
Considering it's set for demo. I'll go back out that way in a minute. Wow. Whoosh.
Smell it there.
Smell the diesel, can't you? That's what it smells like. So the pipes have cut.
Yeah.
Smells of pure diesel though.
I'm getting out. Yeah, it smells like
Yeah.
that. Yeah, like you see that, yeah. Oh shit, I'm taking a picture of that.
That would have been from when they were doing the growing here, that. Monstrous amount of wiring. That door's closing, so it might bang behind us. Just to prepare you.
3, 2, 1.
There it goes. It's another little kitchen area. Fit with nicely. The wallpaper's going for the ceiling. Smile for the camera. Went to that door because it didn't have a hole in it. Oh, that's a lift again. Let's lock that one. Just in case you forgot where they went. He's labelled everything.
Yeah.
It's the oldies for you, that, innit? The older generation proper fucking done that. It's shit my nan used to do. Dinky little bathroom. Yeah, don't like that shot. Just in case. There's nothing to see in here anyway, mate. Yeah, Vex mic. Smells like a dog's been sleeping in here. I'm not walking in there, guys. The floor doesn't look too safe. It stinks of wet dog. You know, just the smell of it. I'm still smelling it. It smells like really bad wet dog. Let's back out into the foyer a bit. Oh no, it's a box room. It's just a room. Let's go upstairs. Yeah. That's the exit. Exit. Let's check this room. Mouldy as hell, some of the bits in this room. Oh, that wall. Smash the camera. Oh, the wall off the fence. I meant the door. Can't get the words out today. Yeah, we may as well go out this way. No, we can't go out this way, can we? No, I'm tripping.
This is what.
Yeah, it is, you're right. Ignore me. Just ignore me. That's it, that's the way. Do it right through the courtyard or do it right now. Go out the doors. Not them ones I shut, mate. And then we can go upstairs from here. Go around this way. Bit sketchy going that way. Strange, innit? Hello? Mm-hmm. Oh, it was that. Hey, did you hear it? What did it sound like to you?
Someone talking.
Somebody. That's what I heard as well, mate. Go to the roof. Hmm? Yeah. Don't walk on the roof though, just in case. I don't trust it. Yeah, don't walk on there, mate. Does it look safe to you?
Yeah.
Right, cool. Okay, lay off. Just be vigilant with your footing in it. Watch how you're walking. It's all good. Wow. A lot of people. It's a sketchy little room. Grass. That's part of the vent piping hole. So mate?
I'm just having a look at these. Where'd you take a picture?
Just keep reaching for a minute, mate. Floor's very wet over there, be careful.
I don't trust that.
Wow, yeah, I can see why you wouldn't. Oh shit.
So, I can't.
Step in. Just step in and have a look.
Oh, God.
Yeah, don't go any closer, mate, because the floor will be weak as fuck. Don't know what was holding that door, but it weren't locked and it didn't have anything stopping it from opening.
We're going down.
I pushed it open about that far and then closed. Yeah, definitely. I don't feel like we're alone in here.
Maybe we need to get out.
Whoa. Go on, mate, keep going. Take a look, right?
Take it right.
Yep. You do this time, not me. Want to go in front? Bog. Bog. The corners have been cut off the doors. There's a hole in the floor here, be careful. Check that. Stick.
43 plants.
That's what we're in that room.
Shit.
43 plants. $44 in that one. So they had like 40 plants in each room. We ain't going to the balcony. I don't think. Maybe. Oh.
No. I wouldn't.
That floor's soft, mate.
I want
It's
to go
bending.
with you, not with you in a trailer.
No, that's not good. Oh no, it's the next set of stairs. Yeah, to go out. Tricky. Get me off this floor because it feels like it's shit. My tins are getting ruined doing this shit, you know.
Hey, listen, I don't feel like we're safe. You know what I mean? I feel like there's someone watching.
Well, no one's behind us, mate, because there's literally at the end of the building. Watch that hole. Need wall fan ducting. Yep, same on this one. Wow, check how warped that floor is from all the pots being, all the weed growing on it.
Shit.
Exploring with someone. I can't even read that, it's too far away. I won't go in there though, mate. That floor's genuinely bollocks. Whoa. I feel like I'm walking on water. Floor feels wavy.
Yeah, I'm going
There's 37 pots in that one. Don't say how many on that one.
Needs air.
Needs airing. Star dog.
Nope.
Go for it, yeah, it's alright. Let's find that.
That one, right?
It's to the right hand side. Oh, can you see the beam? Stay to the beam. Hold on though. Oh man, it's sketchy. Look at that. Where's the stairs in this joint, man? Yeah, you're on wooden flooring again in here. Found the stairs. This floor is so sketchy. Getting alright on them, mate, yeah.
There you go.
I think we're near enough done, yeah, mate. There's a balcony. This room's still sweet, isn't it? Can you hear your footsteps? There's that little balcony, guys, that we're seeing from the front. I'm not walking on it because it's wooden. I don't trust it. Well, that toilet looks nasty. Watch them two boards there. Yeah. Let me drop my camera down here, guys. Do this again without dropping my camera. Oh my god. I have just nearly dropped my camera down there. Oh man.
Good idea.
It's because I've got that case on it. I don't normally do it with the case on. Let's do it up here first, yeah. And then we'll go down that bit, check that bit, and then it's all good in here, mate. Oh, mate, my heart's going. I've just nearly lost my camera. Do you know what this reminds me of?
Hmm.
In Cheadle Asylum,
Yeah. Weird.
but intact, like.
YouTube. The Hearts of Explorers in Stockport.
This is the doorway where we were stood. So guys, I think that's it. I think we're actually done. We'll come back now to the doorway where we were a minute ago. What's that? So we went up, we checked up there, checked in there. No, I hope the bike's still there.
I won't be happy with that.
Is it? Yeah, it's there. Well remembered, Stig, well remembered. Yeah, it's a very nice pond in here as well. Check that at the back of the garden over there as well. Oh, big back TV again.
I think this is some kids' something.
I know, yeah, this is where they look like they brought kids. A load of play bits out here. Little car in the corner, a couple of seesaws, another little car, a couple of little cars in here.
The worst
Gazebos. So guys, if you like the videos, please like, share, subscribe. This was Cheadle Belmont Care Home, closed down in 2017 due to 3 failed inspections.